This is a video tutorial dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups related to the site prednull.com. So this site prednull.com is definitely fake and really deceptive. Today it attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. Now, the real purpose of these pop-ups by prednull.com is to basically trick users into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions. If you see these pop-ups by prednull.com, don't trust them, don't interact with them, and don't install anything that they could ever suggest. Such pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive, so simply leave this page. Also, I recommend you to carefully examine the list of your available browser extensions by accessing the menu extensions, then choose manage extensions. So if you find any extensions which were mistakenly installed, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.